Hi there, my name's Vince from mymatevince.com, and in this video today we're going to try and fix up this Zanussi dishwasher which has faulty wheels. So what basically happens is every single night I have to have an argument with it, trying to get it in and out, and then what happens is when you go to push it back in, it doesn't go on the tracks, and then the water spray arm at the bottom doesn't spin properly, and then I have to keep lifting it up, adjusting the wheels to get it to come out. You can see what's happening here. It's just very simply, the wheels are worn and they just keep going off the tracks. So rather than having this issue every single day, what I've done is I've just ordered up some new wheels on Amazon. They weren't expensive. The package has arrived. It was only £6.45 for a pack of 8 of them. I just went for cheap generic ones because I think that they may well come out of the same factory. So like the the Zanussi ones and these ones, I'm sure there's not going to be a huge amount of difference because these Zanussi ones were really rubbish anyway. Because this dishwasher is only 4 years old and this has been playing up now for about 1.5 years. So I should have done it a long time ago, but I wasn't too sure how easy it was to get hold of the wheels. When I seen they did them on Amazon, I thought, well, let's go ahead and do it. Now, I've read the reviews. It seems very simple and easy to do. The reviews are mostly positive, but a lot of people are saying you've got to be very careful when you put them on because the little clips break, which is exactly what happens here. If you look at this one here, it should have another clip going down here, and then when it forces onto the basket, it should kind of like clip into place. But what's happened is these are just gone brittle now and they're falling apart. So when I put the new ones on, I'm just going to do it very, very gently. So we should have 8 in here. It actually says here, Universal Zanussi. Right, let's just compare the size to the old one. Yeah, so they look like they're going to fit. This is the new one here, obviously. Right, okay, let's see how easy or hard this is. Let's zoom into the first one. Now obviously it's going to be much easier if you take the dishes out because then you're not going to be lifting the weight off all the plates and stuff. It's just that I wanted to show what it was like before and after. So I'm hoping afterwards, according to the reviews, it will just slide in and out really easy. Right, okay, so what I'm going to do is when I put it in, I'm just going to do it very gently. Because the problem is that people say that these things break off quite easy when you push them in. But that went in very easy. Yeah, you can see they're just falling apart as I take them off. I have got a screwdriver and some pliers here just in case I do have trouble, but I've got a feeling they're all just going to come out really easy. Right, that's one side done. Now I'm going to do the other side. Now if yours were hard to get off, unlike mine because I can just yank mine off, all you would have to do is basically try to push in these bits here, and then when you push them in, you can see what's going to happen. They're just going to slide straight past that bit there, like so. Put the last one on. Good, so none of them broke and now they're all in place there and they're all locked into place. Let's see how easy it is to slide in and out now. Right, so as you can see, it does actually work pretty good. It's still not a nice action because remember there's no bearings or anything here, it's just plastic wheels on a plastic spindle. So, but it does work as well as I remember it working when this was new. Because before this one I had a Bosch one, a slimline one in the last house I lived in, and that never gave me any problem, and that was always a really good action, coming in and out, nice smooth action. But this was always a bit troublesome, but I'm really happy with that now because as you can see it is working with one hand. So I think it's going to work as well as it can do. So I think those wheels, it's well worth swapping them over. And I think what I'm going to do now is I think I'm going to buy an extra set of wheels, and then when one wheel fails, for example if this wheel fails, I think beforehand because it failed it was then putting more pressure on the other wheels. So when one fails I'm just going to swap it over, and then I think it may make the others last longer as well. And now the bottom arm will spin freely like it should do. The dishwasher in this video is a Zanussi ZDT41, and the wheels that came off it, and also back on it again, were 40mm in diameter. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up if you liked it, and please subscribe for more how-to videos. Take care, bye now.